Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Hale. Hey, I wanted to just go over the Unit 1 video assignment with you today. So for your Unit 1 project, you will be working with a simulation, which is known as states of matter, basics. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be exploring how molecules change their behavior based on which state that they're in. And so if you look at the video assignment questions, it says, in which state of matter are molecules closest together? How are they moving in a liquid phase? And how are they moving in a gas phase? So let's go ahead and open the simulation and see if we can answer those questions. So as you go through the simulation, remember that there is a lab document that you will be going through as well. So make sure that you follow the directions in that lab document and that you complete the simulation using that document and that you submit the information that you gained from the simulation. So when you open this simulation, you click on basics because we're not studying or we're not investigating phase changes today. We're going to look at just the basics. So you can see that over here you have some different types of atoms and molecules. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. You can choose whichever one you want, but you can see that you can change its phase. So this is neon in its solid phase. This is neon in its liquid phase. And this is neon in its gas phase. And so in the instructions, you start out with the solid phase. And you can see that in the solid phase, it doesn't matter if I'm looking at argon or oxygen or water, whenever I have a solid phase, you can see that the molecules are always very close together and barely vibrating. So solid phase, they're the closest together, right? They're barely vibrating. Now, when I look at a liquid phase, you can see that they're not as organized. They're starting to spread apart and they're starting to move faster. So the molecules are gaining energy. And then, of course, in a gas phase, they're all over the place. They're spread out, they're moving extremely fast. So you can tell the difference between the three phases just by looking at the molecules and how they're behaving. You will investigate how heat changes different molecules into different phases by adding heat, and then of course by lowering the heat. So I'm excited for you to play with the simulation. If you have any questions about the video assignment or about the project, please reach out to me and let me know. Thank you.